Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat camera quality. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you want to improve the quality of the camera in Snapchat, then watch the video to the end and you will learn how to do it. So first of all, go to the phone settings, scroll down and find the camera. Then we need to select video recording, and as you can see I have not chosen the best option. To improve the quality of the camera we choose 4K at 50 fps, and this will make our picture smooth and high quality. After that we go to Snapchat. The most important rule is not to move the phone much when you take a photo, because of this some parts may be blurred. You can also turn on the flash, which will help you take photos in motion. It can be turned on from the top right. Now as you can see, the picture has become of higher quality when moving. Here are some simple ways that will help you. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. You can also watch a playlist about Snapchat at the link in description if you still have any questions. Goodbye, have a nice day.